Hello, this is Ton Zeppeveld from Graphileon. Today I would like to introduce to you new functionality that we added to our Graphileon graph-based application platform, and which is useful especially if you have multiple dashboards and many functions in your application. What it does, and I will show you shortly, is that you can create bookmarks in your application and route your user directly to those bookmarks. But first let me show you how it currently works. An example where I have on my Graphileon instance I have multiple dashboards, and on one of the dashboards I have a shortcut to create a person. So this shortcut opens our node form to edit information on a node or to create nodes, and it is pre-filled with a label and with two properties without any value. So here you have to log on, you have to select the dashboard and find the right shortcut. If you would do it with a bookmark, then you would have here, you have the host, and then you add to the URL dashboard demos, which is the name of the dashboard, add person, which is the name of the function, and then you set the name and the height property in the URL. If you go there, it opens directly the form and fills in the properties to show you that it's dynamic. Okay. This is one example with the form. Another one could be to have an HTML view that I would fill with certain information coming from parameters. So here also I can have my variables directly into the bookmark. How is this configured in Graphileon? Here I have my two dashboards, feature demos and demos, and from the node form, as I showed you, I can do it directly using a shortcut. That was the traditional way, of the way that exists, and now we added the bookmark to it. So what is on the different triggers in my bookmark trigger here? I have my presets for properties height, and I get them from the URL parameters. And the same for this case, where I have my bookmark on my bookmark trigger. I have my URL, and I send it as a URL property to my view, and inside the view I have my mustache template that I can use to extract the values of the parameters from the URL. So this opens a lot more functionality. Imagine that you have this amount of dashboards, and on these dashboards you have multiple shortcuts. Then it's very easy by by creating bookmarks and using the name of the bookmark with the name of the dashboard and setting the parameters to directly send your users to the right spot in your application. That was what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more.